Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video if you find it very educating. So today I want to talk to us about universal basic income. I'm going to quickly close my WhatsApp and my Telegram so we don't get disturbed. Now, universal basic income is a concept most usually used in cryptocurrencies nowadays that enables people to get free money. Yeah. So as long as you're living and active, you can prove that you're human. You can actually get free cryptocurrency. That is what universal basic income is. So this is an article from Lightblocks, and it says, what if everyone is a guaranteed income earner regardless of their social status, whether they work for the money or not, right? So this is actually very possible where people just get free money, right? I'll drop a link to this article so you guys can check it out. It's a concept that has been around in the world for a very long time, but it's gradually getting into cryptocurrency. And I don't want to jump us through all the whole grammar, but let's just read through the summary, the conclusion. Conclusion: no fact says that recipients of all experimental UBI became lazy because of the scheme. Because the concern here is that when people start getting free money, they'll turn and become very lazy, right? But hey, it's something we could experiment and see how it works, and also use artificial intelligence to see how we can fine tune it to make sure people don't get lazy by the presence of universal basic income. And reading on, rather, it allows them to carry on and do more in life, because there will be a time in this world where most of our jobs will be taken over by AI, by machines. So when that happens, how do people get paid? How do people get to feed their family and take care of their bills? That is where universal basic income comes into play. So I don't want to bore you guys by reading all throughout this article. I'm going to drop the link so you guys can check it out. But I'm going to give us two platforms that you can get universal basic income from. And one of them is Voice. Now, Voice is a social media platform, right, that is built on a blockchain, right? So on Voice, you can actually make posts and get rewarded in Voice coins. So like this post right here has 8,800 voice coins rewarded awarded to it, and this is my account right here on this platform. And each day, as long as you're human, you get rewarded. You get coins every day for logging in. So you can see daily reward is 400. You see, so that means this means that I've not collected my reward in 4 days. That's what it means. So each day that you come in to this platform, you get rewarded with 100 of this cryptocurrency, which is called Voice. So I can actually skip this and collect my rewards. So my reward has been collected. So this is an example of universal basic income. Now, why am I getting this? Because I've done my verification on this platform and I've proven that I'm human. Now that also means when this coin gets to $1 per coin, this voice coin, once it gets to $1, I can actually become. This will automatically turn to 5,258 dollars. That's what it means. Now another platform that will give UBI, universal basic income, in the future is haggleX. So this is a new cryptocurrency platform. I'm personally part of this project, right? So having these coins, once you buy the coins and stake them, you'll be able to get free free coins every day as long as you've done your KYC, you've done your verification. You're able to get rewarded in these cryptocurrencies every single day as long as you log in and click your rewards. Well, guys, that's all I have for us today. That's what universal basic income is. And tell me what's your thoughts are. Do you think universal basic income is a welcomed idea? Do you think it will make people lazy? Because I personally don't think it will make people lazy, because hey, just look at it. Technology is taking over the jobs of many people, right? And universal basic income is one way to keep people running when they lose their jobs, right? So tell me what you think in the comment section below, and please do make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. See ya.